The secret is out. The best way to sculpt a lean, long, and sexy body is with the all-new Supreme Toning Tower that features Pilates and Barre. It's America's new favorite barre and Pilates machine and a worldwide fitness sensation. Until now, machines like this were only available in professional studio quality for thousands of dollars. Now, with the Supreme Toning Tower, you too can enjoy body-changing benefits in the privacy and comfort of your own home, all for a fraction of the cost.
I have lost over 20 inches. Makes me feel skinny.
Hi, I'm Mindy Raymond, fitness professional, actor, and most importantly, a mother to 2 rambunctious boys. I recently discovered a machine that has helped me get into the best shape of my life. My abs are flatter, my arms and legs are toned and strengthened. And the cool thing is, I actually saw real results in just a few weeks. The secret is out. The new Supreme Toning Tower is here, and it's about to change the way you work out forever.
The all-new Supreme Toning Tower from Beverly Hills Fitness combines a professional-style ballet bar with the Pilates-inspired toning tower that anyone can use. The Supreme Toning Tower is like having your own barre and Pilates studio at home.
My strength and endurance is just so much more than what it was before. It changed so many things in a positive way.
Now it's easier than ever to speed sculpt a longer, leaner, lighter-looking body. The Supreme Toning Tower is great for any age, body, or fitness level. Supreme Toning Tower is a high-quality machine that is built to last. It comes fully assembled and is ready to go in seconds.
Don't settle for the body you've got. Get the body you want. Get Supreme Toning Tower.
Are you ready to own America's favorite new barre and Pilates sensation? Order yours today.